The Veepeak Auto Diagnostic Scan Tool is a versatile and affordable diagnostic tool that allows you to quickly and easily diagnose problems with your vehicle. The OBDCheck scanner connects to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, allowing you to easily diagnose and troubleshoot your vehicle with the free app. This scanner works with most 1996 and newer US-based cars and light trucks, as well as some newer US-based and Asian vehicles. The OBDCheck app is a user-friendly and easy to navigate, and it's available for both Android and iOS devices. The scanner can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, as well as provide real-time data on a variety of engine parameters, including RPM, fuel consumption, and more. Keep your vehicle in the best way, in addition to keep records of important data. This small but powerful device is an all-in-one that will give you all the necessary information to detect any failure.